Ethical values and ethical standards are essential in business to be successful. Ethical values in corporate culture is important because in business, ethical behavior is a reflection of the company's values. Business ethics happens on 4 levels. Choices are influenced by the standards of conduct established by the organization. Ethical standards are important in corporate culture. Number 1, ethical awareness. Ethical awareness is important in corporate culture because it helps employees and employers identify ethical problems. Employees need guidance from their employers and have a code of conduct to define what is expected of employees to resolve ethical lapses. The code of conduct focuses on maintaining a cultural integrity and is defined by 3 basic core values: do what's right, respect others, and perform with excellence. Number 2, ethical education. Businesses must provide the tools for employees that's needed to be successful in their position. Number 3, ethical action. Ethical action is the following outline of ethical decision-making framework. Number 4, ethical leadership. Ethical leadership is when executives lead by example, not only to enforce ethical behavior, but to demonstrate it as well. And the best advice to be successful in the business world is to do what's right, respect others, and perform with excellence.